So how can you turn on the screenshots on the iPhone? Let me explain it. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the screenshots are a feature which you don't really have the ability to enable or disable since it's part of the iPhone all the time. The way to access it is to make sure that you press the side button as well as the volume up button at the same time, right? So it usually looks like this, where you just grab it like this, press them at the same time, and the screenshot has got captured, so you can save it or, crop it, change it, or whatever else you want to do with it. But as I say, there isn't any way to turn it on, even though there are some ways to make it more accessible and easier to use. For example, if you go to Settings, Accessibility, then when you click on a touch and there is the back tab at the bottom, you can choose, for example, that the double back tap or double or triple tap, right, will trigger the screenshot. So for example, when I choose the double tap, I can scroll through all of the options and choose the screenshot to be the feature, right? And it would practically mean that whenever I'm holding the phone in my hand, I can double tap it on the side, on the back, right? Like literally just use it with the finger, right? And it should work, right? It does only work, I guess, if you actually hold the phone in your hand, but that's the whole point behind it. And also you have the accessibility and assistive touch, which is part of the touch section as well. And you can choose that you also have like this virtual floating button with plenty of controls, and you can choose that the single tap also captures a screenshot, right? So you can also make it more accessible in a sense that you have this like floating button, and whenever you want to capture a screenshot, you tap it, right, and you capture it as such. So that is yet another way of capturing screenshot. So I hope it helps. That's just what I wanted to quickly explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.